XMPro in itself is a digital twin composition platform that accelerates operational and situational awareness, and we do this in a no-code fashion for those industrial business technologists to be able to create a common operating picture, composable digital twins that are more complex, and then real-time event intelligence applications. And we do this as a business capability to help with safer, greener, and more responsible industrial operations, and doing it faster so that there are higher efficiencies and economic return for everyone in the ecosystem. And talking about the ecosystem, specifically in large complex environments, there is an ecosystem of existing applications, and the role that XMPro fulfills in this is orchestrating and providing the composition from all of these different systems to create that composable digital twin that will give you a common operating picture. So bringing in, or not, it's not replacing and replacing any of the systems that you have, but it's more around how do we integrate and orchestrate the information and capabilities from the different systems. Now, this application composition approach is not a new thing. It's, for example, this is positioned, or this is from Gartner on creating scalable composable applications for the type of industries or the type of applications that we see in large scale industry. And this consists of an integrated data fabric at the bottom, coming from multiple data sources. But there's this notion of a composition platform that handles integration, orchestration, UX development, and you have packaged business capabilities that sit within this that you can reuse. So leak detection or credit fraud or things like that. These are all packaged capabilities that you can reuse, and some of them might be application based, some of them might be process based, some of them might be data type package business capabilities, but that enables you to create as what they refer to as composed application experiences. What we've done at XMPro, we've taken this approach and turned that into composable digital twins. So XMPro is a composable digital twin platform and enables you to do integration, composition, orchestration, the development side, and also the UX for a whole bunch of capabilities. And in our industries, the typical data types are physics-based models, analytics, IoT, transactional systems, visual data, and master data. That is all combined to be able to create these type of composed digital twins that provide a common operating picture, for example, on that long conveyor predictive maintenance, or first pass yield optimization, or intelligent building energy optimization. And we do that with our data stream designer and with our application designer as the two main components to be able to compose these digital twins in a no-code way that are also explainable and can be deployed at scale. The approach around reusing capabilities is very similar to what you see with the building bricks that kids may play with. In this example, I can break this apart and, for example, build a off-road 4x4 vehicle. Reusing many of the parts, I may have to add one or two others, and I may be left with a few ones afterwards. But this ability of composing and reusing parts is really how the composable digital twin enable you to create a common operating picture at scale. The way that we do that at XMPro is really in 3 steps. The first one is to create those data streams in a visual drag and drop way and integrate to a large library of integration endpoints that we have. And then the next part is to provide the visualization of that in real time for the operations. This is where the common operating picture gets visualized, but probably one of the more important parts is how do we make sure that we can action what comes out of that in a consistent manner, and that's where the XMPro recommendation engine comes in. This is a quick overview of XMPro and how we deliver a common operating picture using a composable digital twin framework to enable you to run your business in real time, making better decisions faster.